Find the surface area of the prism shown. Notice that this is a triangular prism, but it's not just any triangular prism, it's a right triangular prism. The base right here has a right angle in it, okay? This is 5, this top piece is 5, which means that this is 5 as well. This piece here is 12, which means that this is also 12. Some interesting information you need to know. Now, do you see that these are the legs of the right triangle, which means that this is the hypotenuse. And do you see that this is a Pythagorean triple? 5, 12, and 13. That means that this length, this dimension right here is 13, which means that this dimension is also 13. Okay? I know you're probably thinking, what am I going to need that for? Don't worry, you'll need it. Okay, so the formula for surface area, as you learned, is the lateral surface area plus 2b, which basically means all the sides, right? And then this means the top and bottom, okay? So let's start with the hard part. We'll start with the lateral surface area. To find the lateral surface area, you should be able to take the perimeter of the base and multiply it by the height. So let's just travel all the way around this perimeter. I'll make it yellow so you can see. We have 5, and then we have 12, and then we have 13. And when you add those together, you get 30, okay? So that means we have 30 times the height of our prism. And our height is 6. This height is 6, this height is 6, and this height is 6. Okay? So it doesn't matter where you go to find your height. In this case, we're going right here because this is where they told us what the height is. So the perimeter of the base times the height will give us our lateral surface area. So 30 times 6 plus, and now we just need to find the area of the base, which is going to be, we're going to use the area formula for a triangle because this is a triangle. So remember, we have the base, and now in this case, I'm talking, when I say base, I'm talking about the base leg of the triangle, okay? So we have the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times height. Okay, notice this is a capital B over here. That's referring to the base of the whole prism. This lowercase b here is talking about the base of the triangle. Big difference there. Be sure that you pay attention to that. So we have 1/2 times 5 times 12. Base times height. Okay, height of the triangle, not height of the prism. You have to be sure you know the difference between the two. Now, would it have mattered? Could I have called this the base of the triangle, this right here, and called this over here the height? Absolutely, as long as you use the distances that are perpendicular to each other, okay? So we now have, as our area, 30. 1/2 times 5 times 12 is equal to 30. So over here, we can say 2 times 30. This is where I got the 30. All right, so 30 times 6 is equal to 180 plus 60. I'm back. Okay. 180 plus 60 is equal to 240, and it's 240 cubic inches.